in the comment box that you can see and hear me so that we can get started, guys. Can you see and hear me, guys? Can you please type it in the comment box that you can see and hear me? Okay, great, fantastic, guys. Thank you for all of you to be part of this program. You have taken your time in your precious moments. You have actually taken this time and you want to learn. So I want to congratulate each one of you because you have taken out your precious time and you want to be a professional trader. So this is your first step in taking the in becoming the professional trader. So let me congratulate each one of you for taking out this time. And let's actually get started straight away with how actually things are going to go. What are the agenda? How exactly we have planned out. Couple of things I have already shared with you on the Telegram group for all the people who have already joined the program. But let me actually put this. Shakti Kumar, this one is going to be only in English. I am right now not doing any other language at this point of time. It is difficult for me to do two languages together. I'll not be able to do justice. I may be doing in Hindi separately. Whenever I'm going to do separately in Hindi and Kannada, I'll be coming out soon. But when is that? That is actually yet to be decided. When I am having that, I will do that. Otherwise, I will not be able to do justice if I combine two different languages. So I'm extremely sorry for that, but this program is going to be in English so that everybody can understand. So if I do in Hindi, couple of them may not understand. How many of you actually can understand Hindi? All of you can understand Hindi? If everyone can understand Hindi, I can do it in Hindi. If everybody understand, I understand Shakti, but I'll be doing a separate program some other time. That is the time where actually you can probably join. I cannot do two languages. If everybody actually understand Hindi, I can do it in Hindi. If everybody understand Hindi, guys, how many of you understand Hindi? How many of you have a challenge? If I do everything in Hindi, will all of you? No, no, guys. We have clearly told it is an English program. When I have actually mentioned this, couple of them are saying, yeah. So I cannot do it in Hindi. So if it is Hindi, when we are doing the next batch, we will do. Let us actually not waste our time in discussing this because we have clearly mentioned that this is actually going to be only in English. It will be only in English, guys. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started straight away. And so there are a couple of things I want you to know and understand before we start the whole thing. Shakti Kumar, I'm comfortable in Hindi also. I can talk in Hindi perfectly, but right now is not the time. So let's not discuss. So that's over for night now. So guys, whoever has been a part of our program already, I've already shared a couple of things with you people, but I wanted you to really see this so that many times I get this because people are not much used to Telegram. See, this is something called as a pinned message. So whenever you open this on your phone or on your laptop also, you will be able to see this pinned message. So you can see this pinned message. So I'd actually very clearly mentioned few things here. Just wanted to actually keep you understand on this. So the first and foremost thing is I wanted you to fill this survey. If you have not filled this survey, please do that because that is what is going to give us details about what exactly you people are expecting, and that is what will help us to do it completely in completely as per that requirement, guys. So I'm actually ensuring that whatever the curriculum is revised is based on your inputs. So please go ahead and do this survey if you have not completed. So if you are new to the market, I've also shared you something here. If you are completely new to the market, today's program you may still understand, but tomorrow and all you may not understand. So for that reason, I have actually shared you something here. I'll actually share with you here also. This is actually a playlist on my channel here. So I had done a 5-day free program, which is actually live on my YouTube channel. So you can see here, it has a lot of detailed things on supports, on resistances, using indicators, best practices, basics of futures options. All these things are there here. So you can actually go ahead and watch this video. Specifically, you will have to understand about I think the day 2, day 3, day 4 here is very important, because that is where I have talked a lot on the support, resistance, and also on a couple of indicators. So please actually go and watch this. Today is fine, but tomorrow please ensure that you come prepared for that, because without that it may become difficult for you to understand a couple of things. Okay, this is something, if you have not filled this form, go ahead and actually do this, guys. This is very important, because that will actually help me understand what exactly you are expecting, and I want to ensure that whatever you are expecting you should get. So that is the main purpose of this. So this is what actually we have asked you for. So a couple of things what we have asked you is to understand how long you have been trading, and have you done any courses earlier, like something related to technical analysis and all, and what are the challenge you are facing in your professional trading experience. So what do you think is required for you to solve these issues? So how important is this? A couple of questions, very important. Go ahead and actually fill this form, guys. Go ahead and fill this form, and we will have a quick discussion on that also. Let's if you have not done this, let's take quick 1 minute time, 1 or 2 minutes. Let's actually quickly do this. Can you please do that? And once you have done, just mention done in the comment box, so that I know that you have done this, because that's very important. That gives us the exact reasons why you have come here. And yeah, if you have already done, fantastic. There are a couple of people who have not done. So mainly because a couple of them have joined today, some of them have joined yesterday, some of them might have not done this. So okay, if everybody is done, great. If you have not done, guys, please go ahead and do this. That's very important. So if you have done, fantastic. So let's actually go ahead then. Let's go ahead. So first and foremost thing, as I said, it's a great pleasure to see all of you coming in the evening. You're taking out your precious time. I see the hunger. I see that eagerness for you to learn. So let's get started, guys. If you are excited, so let's get started. Let's get started here. So let's start this. See, one thing I want to understand here, one thing I want to make a couple of things quite clear here, guys. Because this is not going to be one of the kind of programs where you just actually come and learn and go off. That's not going to happen here. If you are actually thinking that you will actually get some theory, you will get something where you will make some quick money, you will get some tips and all, guys, here you will get. It's not that I will not get, but here I want you to get the maximum out of this. And for that, you need to push yourself out of your comfort zone. You need to push yourself out of your comfort zone, and you need to do a couple of things. So the reason why this has been done is based on the inputs you people have given here. So the inputs which we have got here, all the responses which we have got here, this is what actually it says. When I've asked what are the major challenges most of you are facing, these are the couple of major challenges. What are the challenges you overcome? Most of them have the challenge with entry and exit. They actually don't have a proper risk management. They have lack of strategies, lack of knowledge on technical analysis, and some of them have a challenge with cash, which I cannot help, because you need money to make money in stock market. That doesn't mean that you need a lot of money to make a money. You still need some fund, because that is what will actually make you. But the main thing is actually having the right knowledge. And most of you have actually talked about the stock selection, you have talked about trading plan, you have talked about safe entry and exit, and couple of you have talked about um, practicing. I need more practice, is some of you have been talking about. I want to learn technical analysis, not to actually have confidence. Psychology, I want to understand, training awareness. So all these things people have told, and I've asked another very important question: what is that which is going to help you to solve this? So most of you have actually talked about. One is more to do with the training. So the knowledge part is most of you what have told. People have talked about guidance. People have talked about practice. So discipline is something which people have talked about, and most of you have been talking about practice and guidance. The most common factor which I actually see here is more to do with practice and more to do with having the right mentoring, the right knowledge. All those things are actually the quite common things. So the program has been devised in such a way that to get the maximum output, you need to put in effort, guys, because what happens is whatever you learn, whatever you learn within the first 1 hour, within the first 1 hour, you will forget more than 60 to 70%, guys. You will forget if you don't actually revise it. If you don't revise it within the first 1 hour, whatever you learned today, whatever you learned within the next 1 hour, more than 60-70% is gone. Tomorrow, that is within 24 hours, more than 80 to 90% of that is gone. So within a week, more than 90-95% is gone. So it's very important for you to revise, and it's very important for you to take action, because see, right now we are going to be in a place where we will be making you take action. So I'll be giving you a lot of assignments, and I expect you to complete this. So if you are with me on this, please type in with you in the comment box, because this whole thing is I want to do a maximum justice for all of you. So if you really want to actually do that, you should be able to complete the assignments. You should be able to give that sufficient time. See, you're not giving the time to me, you're giving time to yourself, because you are the one who wanted to actually become a professional trader. You are the one who wanted to actually go to that extra mile, right? So for that, if you really want, this is something which is required, and there will be assignments. I'm actually keep making you prepared for this, because these are assignments and these are practical assignments. Whatever we learn on that particular day, at the end of the day, we are actually having some very important assignments based on that. So I want to prepare you for that. I want to prepare you for that. So the assignments are very important. You will be having a lot of assignments, and you will have to complete this. So the whole program, what we have devised is how you can trade professionally, and within these 5 days, you should be able to start trading professionally without risking your capital. Even if you are a newbie, even if you are brand new in the market, you should be able to do that. And as per the ad, what we say is you should be able to trade fearlessly. So if you have to do this, you need to gain more confidence, guys. If you have to gain more confidence, one very important thing is, I cannot tell you that you will become 100% confident. It is impractical. Let us actually be very practical. But what I can promise you is, whatever confidence level you have right now, whatever knowledge level you have right now about actually analyzing the market, about analyzing the stocks, about taking a trade, whatever knowledge, whatever strategy, or whatever you have been following, whatever level you are right now, my promise to you by the end of the next 5 days is if your level is, let's take for example, 0, from level at least you will become 1. That is my promise. I'm not saying from level 0 you will become level 10. It's not going to happen. See, it takes its own due course of time, but definitely what I can say is, if you are at 0, you should get at least 1, or probably 2 or 3 or probably more. I'm not denying you may go much further, because everybody is different. Everybody's learning curve is different. Everybody, see, the amount of time each one of us can give is also going to vary. Each one of us are busy with our own task, right? We have a lot of work. Along with that, we are trying to do this. So some of you have a challenge with the time also. Some of you may not be able to come and attend it on time. Some of you may be looking at the recording later. So all those things are possible. The whole objective here is, whatever level you are currently, at least you should be able to progress at least 10%. So that's my promise to you, because the confidence level you will see every day going up and up and up. So that's my promise to you guys. So let me actually briefly tell you what exactly you can expect out of this program and how it has been planned. So let's actually quickly tell you what exactly it is. That day one is what we are going to do is, we will learn what is this pro trading system and how it can protect your capital and how it can produce profitable trades. So that's exactly will be the agenda for today. So today's agenda is going to be, what is this pro trading system? So this is going to be a foundation. This is going to be more of an introductory program. So this is exactly what you will learn today. So let me give you a brief overview of the entire 5 days, so that you are actually well prepared. Mindset is clear. What is going to happen today? Uh, on Niyaz Ahmad, you can okay. What you can actually do is, one of them had some issues. If any of you have joined the program and still not been able to be added to the Telegram group, this is my Telegram ID. This is my Telegram ID. Just go ahead and send a message to me, and I'll add you personally there. So if you have already joined the program and you were not added to the Telegram group, so please message me on this Telegram ID and I'll add you there. Okay. See, what happens is, by default, after you complete the payment, it goes to that particular page. Sometimes what happens is, you might have missed, or probably you have closed it much before that, or probably it could have been missed. So whatever is the reason, doesn't matter. We have personally sent each one of you a separate WhatsApp message on this, but sometimes it may still miss out. So it's perfectly fine, no problem. You just send me a message and I'll add you there. It's fine. So this is day one, guys. This is going to be the agenda for day one. So let me quickly give you a overview of what is going to happen on day two, day three, day four, day five, so that you are well prepared. You know what exactly to expect, because each day is very, very important. Don't think that this because in the college, this is what we do, no? This period I'll skip, that period I will actually go, I will only go to this. Don't do that, because everything is very, very important. I want you to attend each one of them, because there is something which may really help you. It may really trigger you, because you may ask me some questions, because here you can interact with me directly live. Later, actually, you are watching the recording, that may really not help. So take the best advantage of this. So the day two is something which I am actually going to test from this time onwards, because what used to happen, day two and day three, I have some strategies which I will be sharing with you, which will really help you to make the best out of this. So the strategies which I'm sharing with you can work for any market, can work for any time frame. So you can use it for intraday, you can use it for swing trading, you can use it for positional trading, you can use it for long term, you can use for anything. So whatever I'm teaching you can work for any time frame. It can work for any market. It doesn't matter it is you're doing in futures, you're doing in options, you're doing in equity, you're doing in commodity, you're doing in currency. It doesn't really matter. It works for any time frame. It works for any market. Okay. So the two strategies I'll be sharing, that will be on day two. You will learn one strategy. Day three, you will learn another strategy. We are going to cover only equity, guys. We are going to cover only equity. We are going to cover only on swing trading. But the strategy what you are learning can work for any market. That's what I want you to understand. because I'll not actually be able to do justice if I am taking multiple categories, but I will also show you that it can work for anything. Okay. So this is going to be day one. One second. Let me quickly. Okay, let me quickly do the day two. What happens in day two? Day two is where you will learn a strategy and you will also be able to apply that strategy. So you will be able to apply that particular strategy, and within 15 minutes you should be able to screen and find out what is this new stock, and how you can actually take advantage. That will be something which you will learn on day two. So you will be also learning how to screen that, how to find the stocks. You will be learning on that. On day three is where it will be something where you will be putting things into practice. So what happens is you will be learning another strategy here, plus you will also be putting whatever you learned on day two and day three into practice, because we are going to do a live trading on day four. So live trading will happen on day four. For that, day three, we will be making the preparations. So if market opens at this price, what are we going to do? If it opens at this price, what we are going to do? If it actually opens flat, what we will do? If it opens, so what stocks should we actually select? At what price are we looking at entry? What price are we looking at exit? What price should we keep a stop loss? All those things we will be discussing in day three. And day four is where you will have a live trading. Day four, you have two sessions, and the two sessions, what actually is going to happen is you will be a part with me between 12:30 to 1:30. We will have this session of live trading, where we would have discussed something on day three. We will see that live on day four, how it is working. So here we will be looking at the live market with the hand holding support. Everything is going to happen on day four. So day four is something very, very interesting, guys. And in the evening, we will again have a complete, what happens on evening is we will be meeting up again and trying to understand from you. We will have a complete interactive session there, where we will learn everything from you, where you are actually getting stuck, where you are having a challenge, so that we can, whatever you feel is missed out, or probably if we can actually address all your queries or all your concerns. If something is missing out, I'll be taking your feedback there, and we will have a discussion. We will ensure that if anything is missed out and it can be actually included as a part of the curriculum, we can actually include that. So that is something which we will do on day four in the second session, which will be the same time between 7:30 to 8:30. Okay. So in day four, you have two sessions. One session will be between 12:30 to 1:30, and the second session will be between 7:30 to 8:30. Okay. So on day five is something very interesting. So day five is something you should never miss. This is a day where you will learn something extraordinary. This is where you will learn how exactly, if you really want to take this as a serious business, now what exactly you need to do. So what exactly you need to do, you will know the exact things on the pro trading systems. Without, how can you scale this? If you are actually making, say, 10,000 rupees a month, 50,000 rupees a month, 5,000 rupees a month, 500 rupees a month, doesn't matter, whatever you are earning. What if we can scale this 10 times, 20 times, 100 times? So that can be possible if you understand a couple of things. So that's what we will be doing on day five. So you don't need to buy any expensive tips. You don't have to buy any expensive software. You don't have to risk your capital. So this is something you will learn on day five. And this is how this whole structure has been made, guys. So I hope you are able to get a bird's eye view of what is this program, what can you expect, and how this whole thing is going to go about. I hope actually things are clear, guys. Is all these things clear? Okay. Okay, great. So this is something which we asked you. What is the fastest way of actually becoming a professional trader, guys? So tell me one thing. This is something which we already asked you in the survey also, but I want to actually have a quick overview. What is the fastest way according to you to become a professional trader? What is the fastest way according to you to become a professional trader? I'm looking out for answers. So you can just type in what according to you is the fastest way to become a professional trader. Okay, dedication, practice, money. No fastest way, I think. Okay, learning under professional trainer, practice, consistency. Okay, what else, guys? What else? Information. Okay, discipline. Do and die. What is the point? Do and die managing risk, understanding each and every indicators. Okay, exact time frame. Okay, knowledge. Okay, you can only lose money very fastest. Patience. Great, great. Mentor. Okay, great. Confidence. Building using paper trade. Great. That's a very good thing for you to start. Great, guys. Thank you. Thank you for all your answers. See, one of the things which I have learned, this is something which actually what Anthony Robbins says. Have you heard about Anthony Robbins? Any of you heard about Anthony Robbins, guys? Anthony Robbins is world's #1 trainer and motivator. He is supposed to be the mentor for people like Nelson Mandela, Andrea Gassi, Serena Williams, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Clinton. See, this is guy who has actually transformed lives of many people. What he says, the fastest way to learn any skill, the fastest way, yeah, go and look at who is the best trader or person who is actually done a particular thing, whatever you want to achieve. If somebody has done that, go and actually just copy him. He says about modeling, just go and model this. So that's what he says. So the fastest way of doing this is, it's not only that, see, environment is much stronger than the willpower. If you don't have the right environment, guys, no matter what you do, it's not going to be that easy. So if you want to do this, you need a proper you need a proper mentor. You also need a right environment. If you don't have the right environment, it is not going to happen. You need to be in a right environment. And third most important thing, you need to actually anyway learn. See, learning is anyway part of it. Learning is always required. Fourth most important thing is not only the potential energy of learning and having a hordes of knowledge, that's not going to still help you. You need to implement that. You need to practice. That's the most important thing. So we will learn how actually this whole 5 days is being devised, is you get all these things together. So that's how we have actually devised this program. I hope you take the best advantage of this. So guys, before we actually dive into this, how many of you know me personally? How many of you have been following me? How many of you have probably, for me, probably you are, I'm very new to you. Probably you just saw an ad in the Facebook and you just jumped in. So how many of you actually don't know me at all, have never seen me, or have absolutely no idea who I am? So you can just actually type in so that I know how many of you have been following me, how many of you are actually brand new here. Okay, you have some idea. Okay, I saw ad. Okay, no idea. Yeah, Sanjeev says no idea. Anit says no idea. He just saw an Instagram ad. Okay, don't know, but now he is trying to follow Kishore. Arun says no idea. Facebook ad, no idea. Great. I see a lot of you are actually having no idea about me. That's perfectly fine. Absolutely no issues on that. So what we will do is, since we are going to spend the next 5 days together, guys, is it fine that I introduce myself so that I can tell you a little about me, so that you know who I am And because if why should you at least why at least you need to why you need to actually listen to me. Ashish, you will learn. Strategy is going to happen tomorrow. Today it is not going to be on the strategy. So you will learn a lot of things. So it is step by step, guys. It is step by step. Everything is planned very, very structurally based on what all is needed. We have planned this. So let me actually quickly introduce myself so that we know each other well, because we are going to spend the next 5 days together. So it's better that you know me better. I, some of you may be following me after joining this program, but couple of you it is brand new. So I will actually introduce myself so that you know me better. So guys, my name is Sri Harsha. I'm from Bangalore, and I have been in the stock market from last 15 plus years. I've been majorly doing trading. I have been trading for myself. I was doing it more. Namaskara, namaskara. So I have been doing this more for myself, but uh, I was also training. I was doing it more of a passion. I was doing this training in my free time. I used to do the training in Urban Pro. You can still have, if you just go and search on Urban Pro, you will find my name. And I have been one of the top rated trainers there. I was doing that some time back in Urban Pro. That was actually quite casual. I had not taken it very seriously. To tell you something about me, I have been a software engineer, but never written any piece of code, because I did my engineering in information technology from the Anand Sagar College. Uh, but after that, I was actually more interested in doing a business. So I start during the .com was very, very popular during that time, and I wanted to start my own venture. During my engineering, I actually went in, jumped in, and I wanted to do something on my own. I started with business having absolutely zero idea about what is the business, how to do and all. And I failed miserably. I failed completely miserably. But I always wanted to be a businessman, and I kept on working towards it. I failed in multiple businesses. During this period, when I was actually doing business, I met some guy, and this guy actually showed me what is the stock market. And in fact, the way he actually narrated about the stock market, I got fascinated. And in fact, the whole reason I came into stock market, well, would not have been if this guy would have actually introduced me to the stock market. And it happened all because of all wrong things. So let me tell you the actual story, what happened. This guy actually uh, said, why don't you invest with me? I'm going to give you 10% returns every month. So I think you would have also actually invested when, if you can get consistently 10% within 1 year, it is actually doubled your money. Very fascinating, right? So every one of us, whenever we are making some good profits, we keep calculating, oh, if I had one lot, this much money, if I put 10 lots, this much money. We keep actually that what we call as khayali pulao, no? So all of us actually keep actually thinking that doesn't really happen. So this guy actually took on that advantage. He actually, in fact, he started paying. So this is something happened over a period of time. I was making some money, and seeing that, what happened is all my friends, all my relatives, they went and invested with this guy. With my family together, there was close to half a crore rupees which was with this guy. And within no time, within no time, he actually flew away. That was actually a big thing which happened, which was a big shock for me. Any of you could relate this? Any of you have faced something similar? See, this is something which happened, and I was devastated, because it's not for my money. I would not have worried much. But my friends, my family members, everybody had invested. And since they had invested, now it was my moral responsibility to do something. And they were expecting me to have a better knowledge, and had absolutely zero knowledge on the market at that point of time. And this is something which happened, and I had seen him making some money, I had seen him losing money, I had seen him doing all sorts of things. He was doing everything wrong. If I right now, if I have to tell you, he was doing everything wrong. He was doing intraday, he was doing options, he was doing futures, he was doing everything which will destroy your money if you are not understanding the market. And he had no idea about the market, he was only gambling. A lot of us actually come into the market doing gambling, right? Because we have no idea, we have seen some money, we have actually that this is exactly what happened. And seeing this what happened, I thought let me actually go in, and I dived in, I actually put some more of my own money, I put some more of my own money. What happened, I started doing the way he was doing, and there was some beginner's luck. All of us will get some beginners luck, guys. Initially we will make some money, I also made some money, but later I lost everything within no time. Then I started realizing, what have I done, what have I done this. Let's understand this. I think a lot of you have a similar challenge that uh, uh, we actually if I have to go for a job, we spend how much, 18 years, 20 years to actually complete our graduation, then we go and get into a job where whatever you are doing there has no relationship whatever with whatever we have learned in the last 20 years, right? Now but when we are actually getting into the stock market, the thing is different. What happens, we go and actually jump in, we actually go and jump in, we start actually doing trading. When we lose money, then we'll start searching, where can I find somebody who can actually really help me, who can really teach me? Yes or no, guys? This is exactly what happened with me also. I lost this money, then I actually started searching, who can teach me how to trade, who can teach me really what is happening and how I can read this, because I was not able to understand what is happening in the market. Why am I making money, why am I losing? I had absolutely no idea. So this is where I actually thought this is very important for me to learn everything formally. And I think this is exactly a case with most of us. We lose money and then we start going and searching who can actually help, and that's exactly happened. And I went and started searching. I'm talking about more than 15 plus years. During that time YouTube was hardly existing and hardly anybody was there. Nowadays you have too much of information with so many videos which is available for free of cost. During that time I had absolutely zero information. Now we have more information and too much of confusing. One guy says buy, one guy says sell, you will still get confused because you have absolutely no idea, and whatever they are teaching is all half baked knowledge, because most of them personally have only theoretical knowledge. Now this is what happened. I went and started searching, and during that time only handful of people knew about technical analysis. Most of the things what I have learned is more from the western guys whom I have paid them in all dollars. I have spent at least nothing less than close to around 15 plus lakhs only to learn technical analysis, more than 15 lakhs. Now, if I have to calculate along with whatever I have spent money on trading and other things, I might have spent more than 30-40 lakhs only on learning. Guys, if the same thing has to happen to you, how many of us will be in the stock market? Probably we would say goodbye, right? Majority of us, that is what happens. 90% of the people who come into the stock market within the first 30 to 90 days, more than 90% of them will wind up and actually close their books and go off, because most of them lose money in the market. So this is what happens, and this is a time when I actually wanted to see. And this this time I had somebody whom I could take mentorship, but the price which they were charging was exorbitant. But I had no choice, because either I have to keep losing money or learn, and then probably I can move better. So I decided it's fine. I have spent so much of money in actually doing worthless things. Let me actually spend money, because if this is going to be seriously my profession, if this is going to be something where I have to take money out, I need to actually learn this in detail. So I actually learned. So I spent that money and learned. But even after that, I still failed. You know why? The biggest challenge, I think this also you can relate. You will see this whenever the market, you actually put the stop loss. You know, all of us know this discipline, right? All of us know that discipline that you need to put stop loss. But you put the stop loss, and after that, the stop loss get triggered, and after that, the stock will actually zoom up, right? It has happened to you. Now, what happens when that happens? The next day, what you will think, I'll not push stop loss. Anyway, I'm in front of the system. I will take care of the position. But when that stop loss is coming, what happens? Our mind will say, no, yeah, let us wait for another 1 rupee, another 2 rupee, another 5 rupees. Let us wait for some time. Let us wait for 15 minutes. Let us wait for half an hour. Let's wait for tomorrow, right? This is what happens. And a trade which was probably at a time where you could have actually exited at a small loss, you actually wind up a lot of your capital. And this exactly happens with most of us. So what I realized over a period of time is only learning technicals don't work. Only doing this, you need the discipline, you need the trading system, you need a lot of things. It took me a lot of time, because even during this, whomever I was learning, nobody had any proper support system. They used to say, you just watch this, do this, that's all. They used to say, tata bye bye, whatever you want, you can actually go ahead and do this. So the support system was not there. That kind of mentorship, where that was not there, had a big challenge for me. So I had to do a lot of trial and error, trial and error, because I did not have somebody who can really guide me and help me. So that is the time I decided, because see guys, I have made good amount of money, and for me money is not actually very important. What is very important is how much I can actually help the society, how much I can really contribute to the society. During this COVID, I realized that whatever my passion is, I need to take the best advantage. And during this COVID situation, I, along with my friends, you may go and watch my YouTube channel also. You will find that in one of my featured video probably. So we did something called a business accelerator summit, where we raised close to a lakh rupees for COVID. So we donated that entire money to the PM CARES fund. That is where I actually started realizing I need to work on my vision. So my vision is to create world's largest giver community. I want to create people who are interested to give to the society, because the law of universe says more you give, more you get. So I want to help as many people as possible. That was my main vision. The whole program has been devised so that I can help as many traders as possible in the best possible way. Wherever I couldn't find that help, I want to give that help to you. I want you to be successful, and the reason why this program has been devised. That's the reason why I have built a whole community. You will be a part of my student community, where you will get a lot more things. If you're already there, you would be seeing a lot of actions happening. I'll talk more about that on day 5. So this is in brief, guys, what exactly I have come. And many people say, you are an engineer, why you came here? I would never have come, guys. I would never have come to this. It all happened because the destiny was I had to come here, and I had to do this. And my whole thing, what I saw is a lot of people are unnecessary trading and making loss. My whole idea was this: if I can help people, that instead of making that loss, if they can give a portion of that to a charity, and it can help a lot more people, we can make world a much better place. So that's the main reason why I've been doing a lot of things online also. So I have planned much more things for this 2021, and I want to create at least uh, at least 100 millionaires. And that is something I have a plan for 2030. So that is what is my mission, and that is where I have been working, guys. So this is in just about what I am and who I am, so that you know, so that you can relate to me, so that we can work together. Thank you for giving this opportunity to tell something about me, so that we will actually go ahead. So guys, let's actually get started. Let's get started with our main thing. So tell me guys something about this. So if you really want to be number one trader or investor, what exactly you need to do? We had some of the discussion earlier. We had already some of the discussion we already do. One of the major thing which I want to actually talk to you about is the ASAP rule. What is this ASAP rule? What is this ASAP rule? Thank you, Mohammed. So what is the ASAP rule? ASAP rule is something, you would have heard about something on the ASAP, right? What is the ASAP? You know, let's see. What is the ASAP? You know, and I'll tell you my definition of ASAP. You would heard about ASAP, right? ASAP. Now this is a little different ASAP. What is ASAP, guys? As soon as possible? Yes. As soon as possible is something which you are actually talking about. Now, if you want to be the number one trader or investor, you need to be as soon as possible. You also need to be as skilled as possible. So you need to be as skilled as possible. You need to have all the skill sets required, guys. It's not only having the knowledge. Knowledge, a lot of people have a lot of bookish knowledge. Bookish knowledge is not really going to help you, guys. It's not really going to help you. You need to also have the skill to do it. Not everybody actually can do, because see, if everybody who has learned XYZ can do exactly, for example, about sales, let's talk about sales. There are a lot of people who have done MBA in marketing. Can everybody sell good? Hardly some of them can do, because it's not only the science is something they know. You also need an art of selling. You need to do the science, you need to know the art. So the science is the knowledge, and the art is your skill set. So what you need to know is the SME, what happens in the market. And this is not something which can a book can teach you. It can teach you if it is from a trader who has actually been doing live in the market. You will be able to learn something from them. Otherwise, whatever who is actually probably somebody who has written a PhD thesis on that, still they will not be able to do a good trading. Okay, so what is required is this, guys. If you really want to win this game of stock market, if you really want to make money in the stock market, you need to realize this is the most crucial part. The crucial part which majority of the people don't realize is 80% of, for you to succeed in the stock market, is mainly because of your mindset. If you cannot, you cannot. Because I have told you, I learned technical analysis but still lost money. Many of you might have actually knowledge, but still you may be losing money. Many of them actually may think, I will actually learn some strategy, I'll make something good. Guys, even then you may lose money, because it's not, it is just 20%. 20% is strategy, 80% is mindset. Mindset is very important. Let me tell you something about the mindset, why it is important. How many of you know Kaun Banega Crorepati? How many of you know Kaun Banega Crorepati? I think all of you know, right? You know KBC, right? Yes, all of us know about KBC. A lot of them have come and made some money. But how many of them have been able to keep the money? Understand this, guys. Somebody who was a lower middle class or middle class guy, he gets money overnight. Do you think he will be able to keep the money? Do you think he will be able to keep the money? Most of us cannot keep the money. It's not about only making the money. Making the money is just one portion. Keeping the money is very important. A lot of you might have made some money in the stock market. Were you able to keep the money, guys? Tell me, guys. I think a lot of you have made money in the market. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? All of you might have made some money. It's not that you're losing is different, but you have made some money. But were you able to keep the money? Were you able to keep the money, guys? Not everybody is able to keep the money. Why they are not able to keep the money is because of the mindset. Why do you think rich becomes richer and poor becomes poorer? Yes or no? You would have seen this, right? Rich becomes richer and richer, and poor becomes poorer and poorer. It's not because of money, guys. It's not because of money. It's because of the mindset. It's because of what they think. If actually you see that there is a XYZ thing, it is required, it is needed, it is absolute must. Let me actually tell you this. You've all written something here. You've all actually done a survey, right? You all know that you need X, you need Y, you need Z. Most of you have written, I need a mentor. Most of you have written, I need to learn technical analysis. Most of us have actually written, I need more practice. Now, this is something which you already know. It is not something new that I can actually tell you. But even then, tell me, will you do it? We still don't do it. Now, if I actually tell you, suppose the course fee is say 1 lakh rupees, let's say, and that is something which can actually help you to actually achieve whatever you wanted in life. Now, if this is given to two people, a guy who is probably a middle class guy and supposed to a rich guy. Now, the what do you think a middle class guy will think about? What is that he will actually, whenever he sees something which actually is quite costly for him, what is the first thing he is going to tell? What is that actually his mind is going to tell him? Tell me, guys. Suppose I tell you that I have a course of 1 lakh rupees and you need to actually join, and that will actually make you a professional trader. Suppose I tell you this. Now, what is that you will tell? Let's see how many of you what actually you will tell. Let's actually look at this. What is that actually comes in your mind? Type in whatever comes in your mind. You know that absolutely this 1 lakh rupees, if I pay, I will make this, I'll become a professional trader. You know that it is required, but you feel it is expensive. You, you can't afford. I can pay in EMI. Now, this is a different thing. Look at this. We'll try to learn. No, it's not about that. I'm asking if you think that this is the absolute must thing, and if you pay, you are going to be a professional trader. Now, one of you will say it is expensive, one of you will say I will go for. Great. Some of you will say I will go for it. Some of you will say I'll pay, I'll find a method to pay for it. I cannot afford to pay everything upfront. I will look at EMI option. I'll try to pay in installments. This is where a rich and successful people, what they do is they see how they can achieve it. See, let me tell you something in the stock market, guys. Whatever is expensive is going to be more expensive. Whatever is cheap is going to be more cheaper. Now, this is the reason what we do is we go and buy a cheap stock, and that cheap stock is going to become more cheaper. Have you seen this, guys? That is going to become cheaper and cheaper. It is going to keep going down, 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 down. At the same time, you buy a expensive stock, and that expensive stock keep going up, 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 up. So you need to understand this, guys. This is the difference between a rich and successful people and a poor and middle class people. If you, since no, it is not about, I'm telling anything wrong about that. This is our culture. This is the environment. This is the way actually we have been brought in, right? See, the way we have been brought in, we have been told that this is actually something you cannot afford. Money doesn't grow on tree. You see, we have been actually born with this. We have been hearing this more often. So what happens, we start feeling I can't afford this, I can't afford this. This actually is in our mindset. we actually see, that you are thinking to, what do you say, something which you cannot achieve. In our in Kannada we say haske iddast kaal chachu. That means uh, how long is your feet? You only whatever caught you have, you actually stretch your legs as much as your uh, sorry, how much actually your bed is, you actually stretch it as much as your cord, don't actually go overboard. So that's what actually that saying says. So what happens is we keep actually start thinking that I cannot yeah, jitna chadar utna pair phailana, same thing. So so what happens is we are born with this, right? We are born with this, we keep hearing this more and more often. This is about that Panchatantra story. You have heard about this Panchatantra story, right? When actually one guy was actually carrying a sheep or something, sheep or lamb or something, and he was actually carrying this. Some people wanted to actually fool him around. They actually said, why are you carrying a donkey? Now, one guy said he did not actually care. Second guy said he actually started getting a doubt. Third guy said he actually started believing that. And but the fourth guy said, then he thought, probably I'm carrying a donkey. He left that and went off. And these guys actually took it. You heard about this story, right? Now, this is what actually happens when more and more people keep telling something like this. Our environment is like that, because we are born with that kind of an environment. When our environment is stronger than our willpower, guys, when we keep having such a kind of environment, it's very difficult for us to grow. So that is the reason you need to have a right environment where you are with rich and successful people, people who are ready to learn, people who are ready to go overboard. So that's the reason why you need to have a proper mindset. Are you all agreeing with this, guys? Mindset is the most crucial part, no matter what, guys. So this training is going to be beyond stock market. Whatever you are going to learn, because only stock market is never going to make you money, guys. Because you will learn strategy tomorrow, day after, but still you will not make money, because if you are not clear with your mindset, no matter what I teach you, no matter anybody will teach you, you will still lose money, because your mindset has to be strong. You have to have the right environment, because that's all equally important. So guys, this is what we are going to do here. This is how actually we will be working on. So let me ask you this, guys. What is the fastest way to learn swimming? What is the fastest way according to you to learn swimming? Yeah, what is the fastest way? What is the fastest way? You need to swim. You don't know, right? Jump into the water, says Sudhish. So that's exactly what we all have been doing, guys. Jumping in the water. We have been doing this, and that is the reason why we are making a lot of losses. Dive into the water. All of you are saying this. All of you dive into the water. You don't know how deep it is. You're diving inside the water. Yeah, you need to learn, right, guys? First, you need to learn. You need to have somebody to handle you, at least in the beginning. So it's not that you can directly jump. You don't know what is the depth of the water. Yeah, doobna hai to it is fine. If you really want to drown, you can go and dive in. That's exactly. So we are actually daring. See, daring is not the case, guys. You actually have to also save yourself. See, safety is very important. After safety, anything else. So if you are actually in the aeroplane, will you just like that jump? You need a parachute, right? So the problem with most of us, we jump into the market without having any safety net around, and that's why majority of us fail. So you need to actually at least first learn, practice, guys. If you are practicing and you're able to do great, doesn't matter, guys. Let it take some time. Let it take time. Some of you were saying do paper trading. Do it. Do it consistently. Ensure that you get that confidence. You ensure that you are actually, see, if you are clearly profitable on paper, you will definitely become profitable in the real trade also. But if you are not profitable in the paper, you can never make money. So it's very very important for you to do that. So you need to learn, you need definitely a mentor, at least somebody to handhold you. You need to have a right atmosphere, guys. See, look at this. See, the main challenge is, understand this, guys. If you are going to a school or a college, whichever place you are going, profitable in paper means you do a paper trading. You know what is paper trading, Suresh? Paper trading, whenever you are doing, you're just writing on paper, buying at this price, selling at this price. So you're just actually doing it for practice. You can actually do it on paper, you can do it on Excel sheet, whatever way you have a lot of this. Jagdish, that is the reason you need to actually, how many trades did you do? How many trades did you do the paper trading? How many trades? You said it worked on paper. 15 days. How many trades? It's not about 15 days. How many trades? For daily 4 to 5 trades. Okay, then I need to see what actually you have done there. How many of them were profitable? How many of them were making loss? 50-50 in most of the cases. Okay, fine. Now, whenever you failed, tell me honestly, did you put the stop loss? Did you put the stop loss? If it is 50-50 in your case, you will still make money. But if without stop loss, you cannot make money because your accuracy is actually not that great. 50-50. I think you're doing intraday then. Yes or no? Intraday? Yeah. See, it's not about that. That's why I said there's a lot of things you need to actually do. You need to ensure that you tune your mind in the right way. Okay, let's actually get started doing this. Guys, our training will be like this, guys. Our training will be like this. The training will have an action to be taken. At end of each day, you have an action to be taken. Because let's understand this, guys. Some of us are good in looking at certain things and actually learning. We see something like we call as a visual person, somebody who listens, who sees something. There's a graphic animation and all, you will actually learn a lot of things. When I actually draw something and show you, you will actually like that. You will actually, some of you actually only listening, you will be able to learn a lot of things. But some majority of us are more kinesthetic. So which means we need to do some action. Now, whenever we are actually, it's a visual, in auditory, some of us actually, the amount of people who will learn are actually quite less. Visual, more people will learn. That's why we actually use the PowerPoint presentation. We actually do charts and all. So you will actually get that. And the third level is more to do with action, which is where we actually want you to do some activity. You have learned something, you need to put that in practice. So that is where you need to take action. So we have three important steps which we do. One is taking action. Second is repetition. You need to repeat this. Guys, you need to take all the notes, whatever you are doing, write notes as much as possible and listen to this again. So I'll be sharing you all the recordings. Watch this video again and again. That will actually really, really help you out. So you need to repeat. See, if not actually able to watch the video, at least revise whatever you've written. It's very important. That repetition is going to ensure that whatever you have learned, you will be able to actualize. Because I would have told you some golden nugget, one small piece of information can make a big impact on you. So you will realize that only over a period of time. Because I have, whenever I read a particular book which have really helped me a lot, every time I read the book, I actually get something new. Because every time you may not understand everything in detail. Everything you may not realize everything in detail. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Very, very important, guys. Third most important thing is reporting. Now, the biggest challenge I'll tell you in the stock market, the biggest problem is this: we are not accountable for anybody because we are our own boss. Though it is good, it is also it can be a boon, it can also be a curse. Why I am saying this? Because think about this, guys. All of you are doing trading. Assume the same thing you are doing for somebody else. Suppose you are doing this as a job, for example. You are doing this as a job and you are doing this in an office. Tell me, guys, whatever you were doing right now in the office, for whatever trading you would have done, what your boss would have done. If you have done the same kind of trading, whatever you are doing currently, what your boss would have done to you. What would have happened, guys? We talk about psychology, we talk about many things. Suppose whatever you're doing a trading, right? The same trading, whatever trading you're doing, you're making profit, everybody is very happy, guys. You're making a loss, you're making a loss, and that too, yeah, you would get fired, right? You would get fired right away because nobody wants to take it. The problem is I cannot fire myself. Yes or no? I cannot fire myself because I am not taking that accountability. I'm not taking that responsibility. If actually your boss actually sees you're doing something wrong, what is that he will do? He will sit with you, try to figure out why you are doing something wrong. This is the first step he will do. He will try to review what you are doing. Where are you going wrong? Right? Tell me honestly, guys, how many of us have reviewed whatever we have done? Whatever we have done a trade, how many of us have reviewed which trade went well, which trade went wrong? Why did it go wrong? Why did it go right? Some of you might have seen why did it go wrong, but not everybody would have seen why it went well. The main challenge is if you cannot review, then there's no point of actually improving yourself. If I don't know where the problem is, do you think I can actually solve the issue? So you need to understand why you are not being able to become successful, why actually your trades are not hitting. You have started doing review, Mohammed, fantastic. I have tried making a review, great, Nayas. You're doing it, great. That is the first step. See, you need to start reviewing it. And when you start reviewing it, and you also need somebody else to review it, guys. You need somebody else to review it. The problem is I cannot see my own fault. Please understand this. No matter what I do, I cannot find my own fault, but I can very quickly find somebody else's fault. Yes or no, guys? All of us have this very great talent and finding fault with others, but we cannot find fault in ourselves. Yes or no? This is God gifted. This is God gifted. So you need somebody else to be accountable for you. It is not that you actually see, the biggest problem is we are not accountable for ourselves. We take ourselves so lightly, and we don't take ourselves seriously, and that's what spoils us. That actually cannot help us to progress, guys. You need somebody to really take charge, see that you are doing it right. You're not actually, if you're not doing something right, that has to be stopped. You have to stop that. So all these are very important, and that's what doesn't happen. And for this reason you need to report. So if I'm telling you, you do this action, how do I know that you have done that? You need to report it, then only you will know, right? So whatever we have a task, we want you to do that in a particular way, and we want you to report that. And whenever you are reporting, that is what actually shows that yes, you have done this, correct? So that's where actually whatever you have learned, you are putting into practice and you are actually reporting it. That's where actually when you are reporting, now actually you are completed. I know that you have completed that task. So this is what you will be doing as a commando level training. So you will be doing the action, you will be repeating yourself, revise yourself, guys. I told you within the next 1 hour, you will forget more than 60 to 70% within just 1 hour. So it's very important. By the end of the day today, again, do a repetition, revise yourself. I'll be sharing the video. It may take around 1 or 2 hours after the whole program is over, but you will get that. Look at it multiple times, guys. If you don't understand something, look at it multiple times. That is where actually you will learn it. Every time you will learn something new, so very important. And reporting is very, very important. So that's why we will be making you to report that. Please ensure that you do that. So my whole objective is, guys, in this 5 days, I want to ensure that each one of us should be able to create a profitable trade. So if not on directly on the stock, see, you can take a trade even with one stock. It doesn't matter. It is not important. It is not important about how much profit you make. It is important to follow the process. See, process is important. It is not about, see, it's not, people fail. Process doesn't fail. Please understand. Our systems and process about our actually all the computers and all, they actually do on their own. We don't do. We actually keep giving excuses, but this doesn't happen. So whatever we have is a clear-cut trading system, and this is what if you follow, you will become profitable. You will make a profitable trade. So within this 5 days, this will be the objective, guys. This is the objective. So how does this work? This is how it works. This entire thing works on the principle of what I call as a wealth triangle. The wealth triangle is something which will make you to do this. So what exactly happens in a wealth triangle? In the wealth triangle, we have, as you see, this is a triangle, and the first and foremost thing, the bottommost part, which is the foundation, is your mindset. So that's why today I have focused all my energy. I'm giving you on mindset because 80% is mindset. Remember, 80% is mindset, 20% is strategy. So 80% is your mindset. The first day of our activity is going to start with the mindset, which is the base. This is a foundation. Because if your foundation is not strong, no matter what you build, it is going to fall. So this is going to be the first day session, which is going to be on the mindset. We have actually worked on a couple of things. I'll share with you a couple of more things. I'll share with you what I personally do. See, this is something which I am personally doing, and this is really helping me. If it is helping me and it is helping all my other students, it will definitely help you. But the only thing is you need to believe in the system. You need to believe in the system and you need to follow the system. If you break the system, it is not going to work for you. Okay, so very most important, the foundation is your mindset. The second part of the pillar is your tools and strategies. So all of you have been eagerly waiting for tools and strategies. You want to know what strategy to apply, right? So the strategy is only 20%, but it's also equally important. This is where we will have rules. This is XYZ rule. Only when this rule follow, then actually we are going to take a trade. So that's exactly what we are going to do in this. This is going to be day 2, guys. Day 2 and day 3 we will have 2 strategies. So that is where we are building all those things. And the fourth, the other most important pillar is going to be the planning is going to happen on day 3. Day 3 we are going to actually, we have strategy 1, strategy 2. There are 2 strategies which we will learn on day 2 and day 3, and whatever we learn on day 3 we will also be implementing that. So we will be actually applying that in the live market. So sorry, live market will be on the 4th day. That will be the execution. Planning will happen on the 3rd day. So we'll be planning where to enter, where to exit, where to keep the stop loss, which is the target. So that's something which we will be planning on day 3. On day 4, we will be doing the execution of the entire thing. So that will complete our complete wealth triangle. Is this clear, guys? The entire thing, whatever you learn in the pro trading system, is going to work on this wealth triangle principle. The mindset, the tools and strategies, planning and execution, all of them are equally important. But 80% is your mindset, guys. 80% is your mindset. We need to work really, really hard on your mindset. So I'll tell you what I do. I'll share with you. I'll also share with you what you can do and how you need to work on that. So today's activity is going to be based on that. So our pro trading system mainly has this. We have only 2 steps here, guys. 2 very powerful steps here. And the step is this. You have a trading plan, which is actually where to enter, where to exit, where to keep stop loss, where to exit. All these things you are planning one day before. For example, on Monday, sorry, today is Monday, right? Tomorrow, since it is a holiday, anyway, we are going to do the analysis on third day. So suppose you want to take a trade on Tuesday, by tomorrow night, you should be ready with all these plans. Where what price you are going to enter, what price you are going to exit, where you will keep the stop loss, where you are exiting, all those things we will be planning on one day before. On the day of trading, you only execute the plan. You don't actually go and analyze. Please understand this, guys. This is the big mistake with most of the people do this. In the live market, they start analyzing, and that is where most of us fail when we try to analyze in the live market, because the data is very dynamic and it can keep changing, and you will go wrong whenever you are trying to analyze that. That is number one. Second biggest challenge is you would have already come with a mindset of buying or selling. You have already come with that particular mindset, and you probably already have a trade. Now your mind is going to trick you so badly. They will actually, it will say, stop loss, you know very clearly stop loss is hit. Let us actually put the stop loss a little smaller. Let me wait for another 15 minutes. So this is going to actually trigger you, guys. This is very, very important for you. Don't try to analyze the market on the day of execution. What you are going to do is only execute the plan. If prices are in your favor, if things are actually working out for you, then you're executing. Otherwise, you're keeping quiet, you're not doing anything. That's what you need to do. So the pro trading system works on this principle that you are going to do only these 2 things, guys. These are the only 2 things you are supposed to do here. And if you can do that, rest of the things can work. So what we will do is I'll show you what exactly I do and how you can actually work on the same thing. Let me actually share with you a couple of things I have been doing, and I'll share with you all these details also on Telegram, which you can make use of it. One second. Okay, let me just share this. Okay, this is actually the program I was telling you guys. We did this COVID related event, no? So this is something you can just search for daily rituals with my name or Crazy Money Tree or something. So you can see that I have actually done a couple of things here. I have see there are a couple of things which these are actually affirmations. What we say. See, whenever you think about positive things are going to happen in your life. So this is more to do with the affirmations here. Okay. And the affirmation, there are a couple of affirmations which are related to money, and this is not something which I have personally built something on my own. This is something which is part of a program called Millionaire Mind Intensive, which is devised by T. Harv Eker. He has written the world's The Secrets of Millionaire Mind. He has written this amazing book, and this is a powerful program which I learned there, and I was actually sharing this, and this actually works wonderfully. This is available, guys. I have done this many times. because I am not nowadays. I am actually so much occupied. I am not able to do that on a daily basis. I do it for myself, but I am not able to come live and do it directly. So this is something which you can use it as an affirmations. I'll share this with you. You can. I'll just share one of the thing here. You can actually go and watch this also. You will get a better idea about all these things, or you can just search also. You will be able to get this. See, whatever you do here, one thing you need to understand, you need to build something very important. What you need to build is you need to build a habit. Don't think that if I just do this, I will actually immediately change the things. Shahid, which Telegram link? Telegram group, if you have already joined, you are already a part of it. If you are not there, then you need to, I'll share with you the link with which you can actually join and all. So what actually, let's complete the things which I am actually supposed to do right. What I want to do is I am trying to create something which is very important, which is the habit. Now, why you need to create this habit, guys? It's not that overnight the mindset is going to change. Something which is not changed for your entire life, within one day, it is not going to change. But when things are repeated, I've told you, when everybody is talking so negative about money, so negative about actually how you can achieve something, overnight it will not change. But you need to actually tune your mind with a positive thing. The negative thing has to be replaced by a positive thing. That's where your tuning is going to change. So the what happens, the beauty of habit is, if you remain h, a bit will still remain. If you remove a, bit will still remain. If you remove b, it still remains. So it's very important for you to create this habit, guys. The habit is going to make, a habit is going to make you or break you. So it's very important for you to create this habit. If you are making profits in the stock market on a regular basis, that will become a habit. If you are making a loss, that will also become a habit. So it's very important to build the right kind of habit. Build the right kind of habit. What you can do is, this is one of the affirmation. I'll share with you a couple of these things. I have some of the major affirmations which are a part of my own something which is completely to do with the stock market. And this is something which I want you to do. This is something which I want you to do. There are two important lines. I'll be sharing this in the Telegram also. I'll be sharing in the Facebook group also, which you have actually joined. What you will have to do here is this, guys. These two lines, very, very, very important. Write these two lines 21 times. Yeah, I'll be doing that. I'll be doing it. Don't worry. I'll be doing it. So what you will have to do is, you need to write this down 21 times on a notebook. You're not actually doing it or typing and all. That doesn't work. You need to write this on a notebook, and you will have to submit this on our Facebook group as well as our Telegram group. I'll just share with you. I am doing it right away so that you will get a idea about what actually is happening. One second, let me do this. Let me do this. I'll actually just show you what actually is supposed to be done here. So this is a group. I have already shared you the links and all, which for you to join there. One second. What I want you to do is, guys, go and actually message it at this place. You can just actually reply to that particular task here. I'm just making this as an announcement. One second. Let me actually complete this. So I'm marking this as an announcement. So this is actually the place where you will be doing this. Yeah, don't worry. This group is already shared with you guys. I've already shared you everything in the group. Let me actually show you where actually we have done this. Okay, 1 second. Okay, this is actually the, as I said, there's a pinned message. The pinned message is having everything here. If you see here, we have the Zoom link, we have, just go here, because some of you here are actually not a paid member. So I'll share with you the link where you can actually make the payment, because we have given the first day session for free for a couple of them who are a part of my community here. So I'll just actually share you all the details. So it is there in the Telegram group, guys. If you're not there, and if you have joined and made the payment, you can just write a message to me here. Just on this, put the message on Telegram. I'll actually share with you. If you are actually somebody who wants to actually who has not made the payment but he is interested in joining this program and want to continue for the next 4 days, you need to actually make a payment with this link. Okay, this is the Telegram group, guys. This is the Telegram group, and here all the details are given. See here, the day 1, day 2 agenda, everything is there in the pinned message, and all the videos will also come in this pinned message only. So the day 1, day 2, day 3 videos, the recording, all the links will be shared there. So just actually whenever you come there, you can just look at that particular place. That will take care of rest of the things, guys. So what I will do here is I'm going to put the same thing here also. I'm doing it right away so that nothing is left out. Everything is ready there. Okay. So what is that you are supposed to do? These are the two lines you are going to draw. Okay. These are the two lines which you are going to do. So both the things are actually there here, guys. So you have your on the Telegram as well as on that. I already shared you the details. So for you, the other things I'll be sharing with you. Any things are there? Shailesh, if you have made the payment, not a part of Telegram, message me here. If you are actually, if you have actually come for the first time and you are not a paid member, you need to actually make a payment here. If you have made the payment, just send me a message in the Telegram. That is my Telegram ID. If you're not, if you're new and you want to continue the journey, it is just $4.99. Go ahead and make the payment. This is for next 5 days. You will be getting the complete access. Whatever you have learned, you will get this, and all the recordings will be shared with you guys, so you can watch this any number of times. Most importantly, since what I want you to do is I'll be sharing my day 2 recording of the previous session in the Telegram group itself. I want you to go through that strategy, because tomorrow and day after is going to be to do with the strategy. Tomorrow, before the coming, look at that video and actually understand the strategy. This will help us so that we can actually keep the things much shorter, and I can probably give more examples, and I can help to solve the all your questions much better. So I can actually this is something I'm trying out new, because every time whenever we are doing, because you people are so excited with so much of bombarding of questions, the 1 hour session goes for 2 hours. Many of them have some issues, because it would have, now also it's already crossed 9 o'clock. So guys, I'm repeating again, if you have already paid and if you have not been a part of my Telegram group, then message me on this Telegram ID. Just go and on Telegram search for Ask Sri, send me a message directly there. Do that. I will actually add you there. Don't worry. If you have not paid, go ahead. I have already shared you the link. Go and join. Is this clear, guys? Any doubts you have? I think everything is clear. I'll be sharing whatever is there. I'll be sharing you also and from tomorrow you will be also getting a reminder call uh, uh, 10 minutes before the session starts. I will also be sharing you some other calls will be coming. If you are getting any Truecaller call and it shows spam, it would be probably me. Don't because that's a virtual call. It's an automated thing. I would be reminding you about the assignments. I'll be also actually pushing you forward for coming on time. So there will be some calls. If the calls are coming, you know that is from me. That could be a quick reminder. So take the best advantage of that. I want to make you clear about these things. I hope actually everything is clear, guys. If you have any doubts, go ahead and you can actually shoot any questions to me, and I'll be happy to answer everything. Anything you want to ask, go ahead and you can feel free to answer me. Sorry, feel free to ask me. Any other questions, guys? Everything is clear? Great. Okay. If there's no other questions, I think we are good to go. We can catch up tomorrow. I'll be sharing you the day two video also. Please go through that video so it becomes easy. Uday, the strategy is meant for swing. The strategy is meant for equity, but it can work for any time frame. It can work for any market. Is it? It is not an algo based system. It is not an algo based system, but you can do whatever you want, guys. Okay, Sudhir, thank you very much. Just actually message me if you have not joined. Automatically, it will take you to the page, the group. It will take you. If you have not got, just message me on Telegram. Ask Sri. A will be capital. Ask Sri is actually my Telegram ID. Okay, guys. If there's nothing else, we will wind this off. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow at 7:30 sharp. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.